Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a poem called Good Morning. This poem, Good Morning, is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 1, class 3, subject English. So how we are going to learn this poem? We are going to learn this poem with the help of an innovative idea called self-created dictionary. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, self-created dictionary? The innovation is to enhance the creative thinking ability of the students based on the concepts associated with the lesson through formation of dictionary in the due course of time. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. So what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to build and revise the concept of vocabulary and describing words from the poem Good Morning. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? The implementation part can be divided into two parts. One is building part and another one is revision part. Now let us see the building part. Take the students to the school garden and ask the students to observe the natural things and the objects in the sky. Now ask the students, what can you see in the sky? The possible responses will be clouds, birds, and so on. Now ask the students, what can you see in the birds? The possible responses will be beak, feathers, and so on. So continue this activity by asking the students more about what else they can relate with the words they spoke, and conclude this activity by informing the students that you are going to you are going to create a dictionary. So that's all about the building part. Now let us see about the revision part. In the classroom, inform the students that you are going to create a dictionary at your home. Ask the students to read the lesson thoroughly, and also ask the students to write the difficult words in a separate old notebook. And also inform the students that you can use your parents or family members to find out the meaning for those difficult words. And also ask the students to write the meanings against the words in the same old notebook. And also inform the students, show your gratefulness to your parents for their assistance. On the very next day, initiate a discussion among the students about the difficult words and their meanings. Now, tell the students that those difficult words are very, very useful in your life for your communication. So, please use those difficult words in your day-to-day life. Appreciate the students and motivate the students to use those difficult words in their day-to-day life. So in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary? The learning outcomes are the students able to recognize vocabularies and describing words from the poem Good Morning. The students able to recognize sounds of letters. The students able to recognize and identify characters and sequence of events in a poem or in a story. The students able to express verbally, that is able to ask questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to draw or write words and write short sentences in response to a poem or in response to a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication, and decision making. the students able to collect records and interpret simple informations. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process, can improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. And finally, experiential learning takes the students away from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, self-created dictionary. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe to Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.